Well, the wind looks like it's dying down enough today to get across. I just want to go over for a few hours and do some chores. What a beautiful moonset this morning. I'm dressed for the Antarctic. It's 14 degrees, which is pretty warm, but with the wind chill factor, it's less than 10. And these California Greek bones just can't handle it. Ghost town. It's so quiet this time of year. I tried to hold the camera really steadily so you could see how much the boat was rocking. The man and his son who were responsible for making my windows and doors were not there, so I left them some cookies. I was hoping to get some more information from them about when to expect my house to be closed up, but I hadn't called ahead and I didn't find anybody there. It was going to be cold on the bike today, but I didn't think it was going to be that cold. Anyway, it was really good to get off the island, get out of my head a little bit, stock up on some puzzles, and now I'm back on the boat, going back. It's just a couple days before the solstice, so it's one of the longest nights. It's well after 6 a.m., but look how pitch black dark it is. Inside because it's pretty damn cold. I came from the island over there in the back. I'm going to see the guy who's making the windows right there. And my village is up there. So the distances are all pretty short. I'm really hoping I can see something substantial happening in the windows and door front. He's right there with the red roof. Whoa, I forget how steep this hill is. Especially one-handed. Όμως έγινε πάρα πολύ ωραίο αυτό.
Θα γίνει πολύ ωραία δουλειά.
Εντυπωσιακό.
Θα γίνει πολύ ωραία δουλειά.
Τώρα για πόμελα πρέπει να ήρθε η ώρα ή αργότερα.
Για ποια?
Για πόμελα, να διαλέγω πόμελα, γιατί δεν θέλω πλαστικά. Μάλλον πρέπει να το σηκώνουμε λίγο το παράθυρο και να περάσουμε το μάρμαρο από κάτω.
Άρα να αφαιρέσω 3 πόντους.
Αυτό. Nej. Läpite, jag kan göra något. Jag med sig.
I don't have to do that.
Κοίτα, θα δει 10 Ιανουάρη. It's nice to be back. Let's see what happened in the bucket. Not too bad. Well, it saved a lot of water from coming in the house, that's for sure. Well, I have to say, it is so toasty warm in here. I'm so amazed. My eggs didn't make it on the bike in very good condition. It's actually quite interesting to see how warm it is in here because of this sunroom. The whole house is really toasty, especially in comparison to where I'm living. So I can't wait to live here. So I found out from the windows and doors guys this morning that there's no way this is going to happen before the holidays. Big surprise, it's already the 19th of December. So like everything else, it'll be after the 6th, 7th of January when the holidays are officially over. I'm disappointed, but at the same time I saw them today and they look so good. So it's worth the wait. I just have to be patient and it'll happen. Όχι εκεί, στο άλλο. Μπράβο. Εντάξει, τότε βγάλτε τα για να το βάψω. Παρακαλώ. Ωραία. Και για να δούμε το άλλο μαζί. Όμορφο. Ναι, πολύ ωραίο. Πάρα πολύ καλύτερα από ό,τι άλλο θα ήταν. After what was rather a pleasant day of working with Vangelis for all the details of the roof, I got back to Kea, and the team from the power company was there cutting down trees and clearing out very dangerous situations with the wires. Myself a present. Yes, Sticky. Yes, Sticky. Is it dinner time? Living on an island is so much easier than it used to be. I ordered this on Wednesday evening and it's Friday afternoon. Not even 48 hours later, it's here. There was nothing like that when I first started living here. The internet was just in its infancy. My own drone, my first one. I've been using a drone of a friend of mine, but he crashed it and killed it. I'm so glad I didn't. This will be the first time I have my own, which is a whole different ball game. I'm so excited about it because I was always really nervous about flying somebody else's drone. It's crazy to think that not one of the houses that you're going to see for the rest of this video were even built before I started living on Kea. It's really changing very rapidly.